Good morning. Welcome to Apple Park.
And for the first time on Apple Watch, you can play media like music or podcasts directly through the speaker. And we're introducing another lightweight material in a gorgeous new finish, polished titanium. This year, Grade 5 titanium replaces stainless steel. With titanium's remarkable strength-to-weight ratio, Series 10 weighs almost 20% less than the stainless steel Series 9. To complete the metallic look, the Reflections face has an intricate shimmering dial that reacts subtly to your movements and transitions gracefully to always-on mode.
The Depth app launches automatically when submerged, allowing you to see depth to 6 meters or about 20 feet, along with water temperature, which is also visible in the Workout app for pool and open water swims.
And this year, we're extending our partnership with Hermes to Ultra. The new On Mer band is made of a high-density 3D knit with a titanium buckle designed for water sports.
Apple Watch Ultra 2 starts at $799. You can pre-order starting today, and it will be available on September 20th.
Introducing AirPods 4. Here's Kate to tell you more.
And creating one shape that naturally fits people around the world is a significant challenge. And that includes personalized spatial audio, which surrounds you with sound and transforms music, movies, and games with our most immersive media experience. The next generation AirPods 4 are just $129, and AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation are $179. We're excited to introduce beautiful new colors in midnight, blue, purple, orange, and starlight, along with USB-C, making AirPods Max even more convenient to charge. AirPods Max are still $549.
Now, we're bringing together that personal context with the power of generative models. Apple Intelligence is the personal intelligence system at the heart of the iPhone 16 lineup. When you draw on private cloud compute, your data is never stored or shared with Apple. It's used only to fulfill your requests, and in a first for the industry. Though sometimes the best way to get your point across isn't with words, it's with emoji. And you'll be able to create new emoji simply by typing a description, giving you the perfect response for your group thread. The first set of features will be available in beta next month, with more features rolling out in the months to come.
Let's start with a closer look at the camera control. The camera control is easy to use in landscape or portrait. It's flush to the surface, covered by a sapphire crystal with a smooth texture and surrounded by a color-matched stainless steel trim. You don't need to adjust your grip to take a photo. Just click again, so you don't miss the moment. With a click and hold, you can do a quick video recording. Additionally, a small multi-pixel capacitive sensor and signal processor under the sapphire crystal recognize touch gestures. A lighter press reveals an all-new, clean preview that dissolves other UI elements, helping you focus on framing the shot. A light press also brings up a new overlay that allows quick access to useful camera functions. By sliding your finger on the camera control, you can adjust controls like zoom. When you press lightly twice, you can see other controls. Then simply slide to the control you want and press lightly again to select it.
They still start at just $799 for iPhone 16 and $899 for iPhone 16 Plus.
Designed with Apple Intelligence at its core, iPhone 16 Pro brings the next generation Pro experience to our users.
They're even larger at 6.3 inches on iPhone 16 Pro and 6.9 inches on iPhone 16 Pro Max. iPhone 16 Pro uses exceptionally high-quality Grade 5 titanium.
And with the new ISP of A18 Pro, we can do frame-by-frame cinema quality color grading at 4K 120 in Dolby Vision. And with camera control, you can quickly capture 4K 120 in HDR.
We're also enabling spatial audio capture during video recording for a more immersive experience when listening with AirPods or watching your spatial videos on Apple Vision Pro or even your home theater setup. They start at just $999 for iPhone 16 Pro and $1199 for iPhone 16 Pro Max.